In this video, I'm going to explain how we can create a table in SQL Developer. So, to create a table, you need to start SQL Developer. So, it is getting started. On SQL Developer, to start SQL, you need to open this SQL worksheet. So, click on that. When you will click on that, it will be asking for the connection to be connected to. In the previous video, we discussed how we can create a connection. So in that video, we created this connection 1, that is the CON1. So I want to connect that connection again, and it will be asking the password for this user, that system. I need to pass that thing, and then so you will see the worksheet like this. To create a table in SQL, we have create table command, and the format of that is create table. This is the command. Then after that, you need to mention the name of table. Let us say the name of table is student, and then inside the parentheses, we need to mention the columns that will be present in this table. So let us say first column is student name. After giving the name of the column, you need to give the data type and the size of this variable. So I'm considering that this column is going to be a character type, and its size will be, let us say, maximum 20 characters. And then I need to close this parenthesis, means this is the name of the student, that will be 20 characters maximum. And then to mention the next column, I need to put a comma. So comma will be there. I can write in the same line, but for the sake of readability, I will be going to the next line. So say let us consider the next attribute is roll number, and that is of type, let us say, some number, and maximum length is let us say 10. So roll number is completed. Now we are interested in some more attributes of the columns. So say gender. Gender is type of let us say character again, and its maximum length is 10. We are interested in say marks also. So we'll be writing here marks, again type of number, and maximum length is say 3. After you have created all the columns, you need to close this parenthesis. You are beginning from here and closing it at this point, and then put semicolons, and then run this SQL statement by click on this. If there is no syntactical issue, then this statement will be creating a table, and you will get this message, the table student created. Now with this statement, we have just created a empty table. There is no data present in that table. So to enter the values in this table, we need to use another command, that is insert into. Insert into, and after that you need to mention the name of the table, that was student, and then you need to use the keyword values, and after that you will be passing these values to the students present in this table. That is, here the first attribute or the first column was student name, so I need to mention here, let us say Sham, and since the data type of that column is of type character, so I need to use here this inverted commas, and then the next column is a roll number, and that is of type, let us say number type, and since it is a number type of column, so no need to use these inverted commas. Then the next value will be there, that is about the gender of the student, so let us say is male, and then the last value is marks of student, that is 56. Okay. Then the semicolon, and then execute this SQL statement. If there is again no technical issue, then it will be inserting one row in this student table, and you will see this message that one row inserted. Now we want to insert the value for another student, so we can re-execute this statement with another values. Okay, so now we have created another row. Now these are the two rows entered in that table. Okay. So in this way you can enter the values in any table. Again insert, and now we have created 3 rows in this table. To see what we have entered in this table, we need to use select command, and we'll be using select star. Star means all the columns and all the rows. From is a keyword, select star from the name of the table, that is student, and then run this SQL statement. Then you will be saying that there are 3 rows in this table. We will be getting the data that we entered in this table in this output. Okay, so in this way you can create a table and can enter the values there and can see the values present in that table. That was a small example to create and view the data from the table. We'll be discussing these things in detail in the next tutorials. Okay, thank you.